Now question 17. What is the external angle at B? Now an angle is a measure of rotation, right? So say if you're pointing in this way, you're pointing that way, and imagine that's an axis there or whatever. If this line turns the whole way around and then it's back pointing the way it's pointing, well, that's a turn or a rotation of 360 degrees. In other words, if you're in a car and you're heading this way and you do a skid on the road and you swing the whole way around one full turn and you end up facing the way you were originally going, that's a 360, same as you'd see on a snowboard competition. So a full turn the whole way around will be 360. Now B is a full turn except for the 40 degrees. So B is 360, take away the 40, and we have 320 degrees. And this is the angle, the external angle at B. That's it. Job done.